What I enjoy most about construction is it challenges me to think outside the box when facing an obstacle. For example, when running pipe, you sometimes run into hiccups that were not in the original plan. Right then and there, we have to come up with a solution to solve that challenge. I also gained a wide range of experience working in various offices, schools, and hospitals in a short amount of time. So far, I've learned plumbing, HVAC, construction project management software, how to read blueprints, how to set fixtures, how to solder copper, and how to lay out for rough-ins. I am currently in an office building project located on 22nd Street in Northwest D.C. I am working on a new HVAC installation. We will be installing 5 self-contamination units, 1 cooling tower, about 45 VAVs, 9 wall and unit heaters, 2 AC split systems, a mechanical condensing water system, and a closed loop water system. I've been able to apply the skills I've learned on the job. I use my plumbing skills to make small changes around my home, kitchen, bathroom, or even remodeling projects. I also learned how to lay out pipe and mechanical equipment pads. Most importantly, my foreman teaches me how to properly plan out my work each day.
My name is Raul Sanchez, and I built this.